Today I'm making sweet potato salad. I'll be using this sweet potato. It's Oriental sweet potato. You can get it in any of your Chinese grocery store, or you can use Caribbean sweet potato. Reason for using these sweet potatoes to make your salad, they're firmer. So when you cook them, they won't mush up. I don't use this one. This is a regular one that you see in most grocery stores. I wouldn't recommend you use this because this gets really mushy and you're not making sweet potato mash or mashed sweet potato. You're making a salad. So you want your pieces to be firm. Few ingredients. I'm going to be using some eggs, mayo, bell peppers, green onions, and purple onions. And right over here, I peel and I dice up some sweet potato. Now I'm gonna boil my sweet potatoes and my eggs. So I'm gonna show you how we go about making this yummy, yummy, yummy sweet potato salad. I have a pot full of water. Place the eggs into the water and I'm gonna let my eggs boil because I'm gonna be using hard-boiled eggs, so I have to give my eggs enough time to boil. I'll show you the next step. Now the water is boiling and the egg is in there boiling. I'm going to let it boil for 15 minutes before I add the potato into it. I add some salt into my pot because it's all about the taste. And the egg's been cooking for 15 minutes. Now I'm going to add the potato in there. The potatoes are peeled, washed, and diced. So we'll check in to see when it's cooked. And we'll go right into the next step of how I made this delicious sweet potato salad. Something I know you guys are gonna love and you guys are gonna enjoy. We'll check in again. In the meantime, I'm gonna get these all sliced up and ready to add to the salad. Okay, it's check-in time. The potato's been cooking for a while. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna take a piece out and then I'm going to just press with my finger. There. Potato is ready. The eggs are ready. So into the next step. And hi guys, it's Lizmagic. Welcome to my channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And for my usual and faithful people, thank you for always being there and supporting me. And for all those new people to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. I appreciate all you guys. I'm gonna strain my sweet potatoes. I'm gonna use this strainer to do it. And then let it cool for a little while because you don't wanna add all the other ingredients while it's hot. The way to cool the potato down is to run it under some cold water. This will cool it down fast so you can get into making your salad. And as you guys see, you see the eggs on top. I'm going to take the shells off the egg and I'm going to grate the eggs. Here it is, guys. The potatoes are cooked. They're still nice and firm in place. My eggs are grated. So I'm going to put it in there. The eggs. Here I have green bell pepper, orange bell pepper, purple onions. Right next to it is green onions. They're diced in tiny pieces. And now I'm going to add that into the potato. So add all this. The next thing I'm going to add into my potatoes, guys, the mayo. And the amount of mayo you put, it's to your taste and to your liking. It's all up to you. Add this seasoning salt into it. Now, I'm going to combine all this together. Last ingredients I'm going to add to it, guys. I'm just going to sprinkle some paprika into it. And just mix it up. You could put in the paprika the same time you put all the other ingredients into it. It's your choice. There, It's finished. Sweet potato salad. Here it is, guys, a nice delicious bowl of sweet potato salad. Try it. I know you will surely enjoy it. Bing, just like magic.